Hello Rajiv sir. So for this portrait particularly, the model is viewing at a angle here. So the model is viewing at this angle. That means the light, the face is not 100% front face, but a slightly tilt face. In that case, the distance between both the eyes will not be one eye. It will be a bit short than one eye. So check with that. Secondly, the shadow shapes can be more dark, and right after the dark shadow shape there should be a slight blending of colors. It's never very dark. Right after the shadow shape there is, you need to build a bridge of middle values, then comes the lighter values, and then last come the highlight. Whenever you do portrait, the sheet color, which is the white color, is the highlight color. So rest the entire surface must have at least one value. Either it's if it is light, just add a single value all over. um, you can also use the cashmere cloth or the cloth that you're using to wipe off the excess charcoal, or soften your values. You can use that also. Just simply apply one value altogether on the entire face. Now when I have the face blocked with just one value, and when I add highlights using my eraser, it will pop up. Secondly, the shadows can be a bit more dark. See, this shadow can be a bit more dark. If this side of the shadow is crispy or it's very strong, um, the other side would be very soft. So I need to see that transition of shadow from dark to light. See, the next value now is this. So what I'll do is I'll slowly start blending in, keeping the shape as it is, and then adding my values. I'm doing using a digital pen, but this entire process is much easy and effective when you are doing using charcoal pencil and so on. So when I apply values like this and slowly turn my nose from light to middle value and then lighter, then I build this platform where I can put my highlights. So let me just show you. This is my highlight color, and if I just add a slight highlight, you can see the nose is popping out, and that makes a lot of change when you do your renderings or when you do your still life. This transition is something that I am looking for when you work with your charcoals, and this transition must be visible on the entire face. So I hope you understood, and let me know which, as in previous assignment I already graded you 100 on 100 because it was all done and it was a good assignment. So I'm not sure which one is left. Let me know, I'll review that also.